When you're investing in a product for the home, it makes sense to check that it has all the correct features. One of the most important features is that it is safe to use. We are often asked what-if questions about our stair lifts. What if there's a power cut? What if there's something on the stairs that I didn't see? Let me take you through some of the many safety features that we have fitted on the Acorn Stairlifts. All our stairlifts are battery operated, so if you're halfway up the stairs and there is a power cut, then the stairlift won't be affected in any way. All our stairlifts are fitted with sensors, which detect any obstructions on the stairs and cut the power to the lift until the obstruction is removed. Our swivel seats lock into position, making it safer to get on and off. We also fit all of our lifts with seat belts for extra safety as you travel up and down the stairs. With our slim fold-away design, it makes it easier for others in your home to use the stairs and stops the lift from becoming a hazard or obstruction. Having a stairlift is an efficient and simple solution for you in your home with many more safety features than the few that I've mentioned in this short video. If you want to find out more about the benefits of having a stairlift in your home or how Acorn Stairlifts can help you, then give us a call. We're happy to help.